Hey, welcome to Lesson 28. Today we are exploring macOS-specific terminal commands. System info, clipboard tricks, spotlight search, and disk tools. Let us dive in. macOS has built-in commands for system info. sw_vers shows your version. System_profiler shows hardware. Scutil reads your computer name and host name. The defaults command reads and writes system preferences. Changes from defaults write persist across reboots. Setting up our demo environment with sample files. Opening the system info script in NVIM. Color helpers first. Green for success, blue for info. sw_vers prints your macOS version, build, and product name. System_profiler with grep filters to the key hardware specs. Scutil reads the computer name and hostname from system config. Defaults read queries preferences from domain bundles. The fallback handles keys that are not configured yet. Defaults write changes, a Finder setting. Safe and reversible. Let us review the full script. Six sections from version info to defaults write. Running it now. Watch the output. Your Mac model, chip, and memory all in one script. macOS Clipboard works from the terminal with pbcopy and pbpaste. Pipe any command output into pbcopy to copy it. pbpaste retrieves it. They work in any pipeline. The open command launches Finder, browsers, and apps. Say converts text to speech, and caffeinate prevents sleep. Setting up demo files, including notes and CSV data. Creating the clipboard and productivity script. Color helpers and the data directory variable. Echo pipes text into pbcopy. Then pbpaste retrieves it. Cat pipes a whole file into the clipboard in one shot. Awk extracts names from CSV and pipes them to pbcopy. Open launches Finder for directories and Safari for URLs. Say with dash versus Pixavoice. Backgrounding keeps the script moving. Caffeinate prevents sleep. Screen capture takes a screenshot. Let us review all 7 sections. Each section shows a different macOS productivity trick. The pipeline pattern works with any command output. Running it now. Watch pbcopy and pbpaste in action. Text and file contents copied to clipboard instantly. Spotlight search works from the terminal with mdfind. mdfind uses the Spotlight index, so it is fast. mdls shows metadata like size and content type. diskutil lists and inspects your disk volumes. hdiutil creates and mounts disk images. Setting up demo files and triggering Spotlight indexing. Creating the Spotlight and diskutility script. Color helpers and data directory. Same pattern as before. mdfind with only in restricts the search to our demo folder. The metadata query syntax finds files by name pattern. MDLS shows file metadata. We pick 3 useful attributes. Diskutil list shows all disks. We filter the first 15 lines. hdiutil creates a 5 MB disk image from our source folder. Then we attach it, list the contents, and detach cleanly. Let us review the full script. Five sections: mdfind, mdls, diskutil, and hdiutil. Running it now. Watch Spotlight find files instantly. Disk image created, mounted, and detached. Let us recap Lesson 28. SW_vers and system_profiler for system info. pbcopy and pbpaste for Clipboard. mdfind for Spotlight search. diskutil and hdiutil for disk tools. Next up, get workflow scripts. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please give it a like. Subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss the next lesson. See you in the next one.